Hello everyone, this is Suresh from Azure ADB. Today our topic is how to access dictionary items. So mainly keys and values. So we'll see different methods to access dictionary items. So first one is keys, values, items, get, index, set default. So in this video, we are going to discuss about these different methods on how to access dictionary items. So before that, I created one dictionary here. So dictionary name called student, and within dictionary, I mentioned key value pair. So here name is the key, John is the value. So similar way, age 20, grade A, brand RD, model Q7, and subjects. So here key and value instead of single item, I given list here. So if I try to print this one, print this dictionary, see here I will get these many key value pairs. So here this is key and value is here list. So now we'll see how to access keys from this dictionary using keys method. So in this, what are the keys? So these are all the keys. So name, age, grade, brand, model, subjects. So these are all the keys from this dictionary. I want to extract these keys by using this key method. And if you see here, what is the syntax? So dictionary name. So that means this one here dictionary name is student and dot keys. So now what I'm doing on top of this dictionary, this is our dictionary student, and on top of this dictionary, I'm using keys method. So if I use keys method, see here, it giving all the keys of dictionary. And if you observe here, dictionary underscore keys, dict underscore keys, and it giving in the form of list all the keys of. Next, we'll see how to add new items to a dictionary. So here what I'm doing, so this is my dictionary name. So dictionary of gender equal to male. And if I try to print this dictionary dot keys, and you observe that this gender got added. Why here it's showing gender? So here student is the dictionary and here gender is the key and male is the value. Since I used the keys method, so it's showing only gender here, only key it's showing here. So this how you can add a keys. So similar way, here I'm trying to add one more key here. So student of fuel type equal to diesel. And if you try to print this one, student underscore keys, and you observe here, so fuel underscore type, our new key got added here. Okay, so, and what I'm doing is print student. And if you see here, it displaying only keys because I am trying to print only keys here. So here what I'm doing, since I added two additional keys, no, so that also I want to show here. If I do print method, print of student, student is our basic dictionary name. And if you observe here, up to here, this is our original dictionary. And if you see here, gender, male, and fuel type diesel, these are all the new key value pairs got added here. Next, how to convert into list. If you see here, if you try to print this one, this dictionary, flower bracket is, starting at the end, flower means it is dictionary. So here, what I'm doing is print list method and student dot keys. If you observe here, student dot keys. So what we are getting here is list. Okay, so that I'm converting here. So why I'm converting here? So it is dictionary underscore keys of this one. So this one I want to convert into list type. So I'm using list method. So list of student dot keys. So then what it giving is it giving list of keys. So next, as of now, we saw how to access keys. Now we'll see how to access values using either index or key names or square brackets. So first we'll see syntax dictionary underscore name. So that is dictionary name of key. So here what I'm trying to do is, so here I created one dictionary here, student underscore index. So this is, I have key value pair here. These are all the key value pairs. So here what I'm doing, here I'm trying to print student underscore index. That is my dictionary of name. So that means first key I'm giving. So I want to access first value of the dictionary. So here I'm using this dictionary index method. So dictionary of key index, this index method. So this is my dictionary name, and within index, I'm passing this key value. So for this key, this sendel is the value. And a similar way for age. So this age is the key. So for that value is 20. Similar way for grade, A is the value. See here key error age is showing error, and one more is brand. So brand, so here third one is brand now. So first one is age, first one is name, second one is age, and third one is brand. So for brand we are getting Phenol here, and final one is age, and age here 20 is there. So that we are getting error. So key error type is age. So why? Because so if you observe here, this is my key value age. So here A is capital letter. Okay, and similar way, what is here key value age? A is small letter. And observe here, a second key I given correct key, that is all lowercase. So that's why it printing 20 here. But in case of age, so first letter is uppercase. Since we don't have key in this dictionary, so it throwing error, key value error. And the same thing I mentioned here, if the key does not exist, if this particular key does not exist in this dictionary, then this will raise a key error. So this is the error. So next, I have one dictionary here. So here all are numerics. So key and this is value, key and this is value. So that means this dictionary we can make use of strings and integers also. So here we have combination of strings, and here I'm trying to use integers here. So here what I'm doing, print marks. Marks is my dictionary, marks of 1. So 1 means this key value. So for that, what is the value? 50. I'm getting 50 here. And a similar way, print marks of 2. So that means this is the key. And what is the value for this? 60. That is second one. And the third one is marks 3. That is this one. This is the key. And what is the value for this? That is 70. So and so on, and marks 6. So this is key, and what is the relevant value? 100. Okay, so next we'll see how to access values using get method. So our syntax is dictionary name dot get of key. So inside get method, we need to provide the key here. And this is my dictionary key value pair HR, IT, sales. And if you see here, this is my dictionary department dot get method. And inside that, we need to provide the key. So in this first key is HR, so that I'm providing here. And what is the value for this 100? So that 100 I'm getting here. And a similar way by using get method IT. So IT, this is the key value. And what is the value for this? That is 200. That 200 we are getting here. Similar way, get sales. So for sales, 300 is the value. So that is this one. And a similar way, marketing dot get marketing. So, but we don't have that key in this particular list. So what we'll get is output as none. See here, we are getting none. And department dot get method marketing. And additionally, I'm giving command here, NA, not applicable, because here I given marketing and output it given as none. Okay, so suppose I don't want to get none. So I want to get some comment here, like not up, not available, or some other comment you can give it. So here I given NA. So if you provide like this, if you get NA here, instead of none, you will get NA. So if you compare this get method, this get method is safer than index method. Index method means our previous method, this one. So why it is best one is, if you see here, if any of the key is not available in this dictionary, then it throwing error. But if you see in this particular method, get method, if you see here marketing, even though this marketing is not in this dictionary, see it not throwing error, but it generating none. And at the same time, we have option to set some comments here. So that is the difference between index method and get method. So that's why it is mentioned that safer than index method, since it won't throw an error if the key is missing. So next one is accessing values using values method. And what is the syntax? Dictionary dot values. So this is my dictionary. So I have this many key value pairs. So in this student dot values. So that means here I want to extract only values of the dictionary. Here what are the values? John 20 EA and Audi Q7. So by using dot values method, so you will get dict underscore values, and in the form of list, you will get all these values here. But if you see our first method, that is dot keys. If you see here, this is the dot keys. So here you will get only keys of the dictionary. By using here values method, you are getting only values of the dictionary. Values of the dictionary. So next method is accessing values using items method. So syntax is dict underscore name dot items. So here what it does is, so this is my dictionary, key value pairs are there, and car dot items. So this is my dictionary, and here I'm using dot items method. So here what I will get is dict underscore items in the form of a list. I will get tuples like this, key value pair. Key value pair in the form of tuple I will get. So first if you see here, key value. So this key value I am getting in the form of tuple. So similar way, the second key value pair I am getting here as tuple. So similar way, third key value pair I'm getting as tuple here. Okay, so suppose I want to add one key value pair to this existing dictionary. So how I can do is, this is my dictionary name, and by using index method, I am passing key as fuel type and is equal to diesel. So this is my key and this is my value. So if I try to print car underscore items, so that means this one. So what I'm doing is, so this key I added to this dictionary, and car underscore items means this one, car underscore items equal to car dot items. That means by using item method, I'm printing here. If I try to print whatever my newly added key value pair, it will get add here. So that is fuel type diesel. So similar way, if I try to print car, so that means this dictionary, see here, this dictionary also got updated with this new key value pair. So here I try to print a dictionary. Here what I did is, by using items method, I printed here. So the difference here. So next, accessing all keys or values. So student dot keys. So our first method is by using keys. So what it does is, it returns all the keys. And student dot values. By using values method, it returns all the values. So student dot items. So it returns key value pairs as tuples. So like this, key value pair as tuples. And if I try to print this one, student dot keys, by using keys method, so I'll get dict underscore keys, and in list I will get all the keys here. So similar way here I will get all the values here, and a similar way for items I will get all the key value pairs in the form of tuple. Okay, so all three methods I mentioned here. So next, last one is set default. So here I have one dictionary, and I have key value pair here. So here by using set default method, what I'm doing is I'm passing here key and value here. So if I pass this one, so what it happens is this key value pair will get add to this dictionary. So after using set default, I'm trying to print this cells, that is a dictionary. So initially my dictionary is this one, and after using this set default, this key value pair got added to this dictionary. So that is set default method. So, and overall, we saw all these methods here. So majorly we'll use keys method, values method, items method. So these three methods we'll use frequently, and based on requirement, we can use either get or index method. So that's all about this video. If you really like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you.